Contracting.
Wagi wa KIGINA ministry-ini ya migunda uthiite na mbere na gutebebia kioneki gia thirikari gia guthamiria taito cia migunda mitambo-ini ya KIRIU o ne kuringana na Minista wa migunda Alice WAHOME. Akiaria guku Nairobi hindi ya gwikira thairi mibango ire megukorwo magikinyaniria thiini wa mwaka umwe ukite, WAHOME oigite no taito cia kaunti cia Nairobi na Murang'a irikitie guthamirio mitambo-ini ya KIRIU.
Many times the cartels start by influencing a few of our officers and taking away the files. When the records of the land that you own disappear, then it is easy to manipulate or come up with other records, and verification therefore becomes very hard.
Most our digitization is reliant on the cadastre, and the cadastre is actually the map. That is the fabric where all the non-spatial data sits on. So that has been a problem, and that's why you see even in our commitment in this financial year, you've had Honorable Owalo said that you need to set up more geodetic controls in the entire country, so that we can use the controls to now develop the cadastre, then we can roll out the digitization in the entire country.
Nego gukinyaniria kioneki giki Minista WAHOME oigite marabatara muigana wa ciringi bilioni 40. Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ino Nixon Koriri akihithuria nuthu ya migunda bururi-ini ndiri TAITO.
Maybe within the next 4 or 5 years, if we are properly funded, we will be able to address the question of digitization nationally, because you wanted to know where we are.
Right now, we have in the entire country, we've titled less than half of the country. So we still have a lot of work to do in terms of titling the other part of the country. And as the titling continue, the revenue generation increases. So it's not...
Na njira ya gutigirira ene migunda ni magia na taito munini wa munene wa aruti wira a muingi Eliud Owalo oigite thiini wa miaka iri thirikari ni ihanite taito 800 mwaka uyu magitanya kuheana taito 280.
The view to decentralizing services, the ministry commits to open 4 new land registries in Malindi, Kajiado, South Gilgil and South Imenti, and also decentralize registry index maps amendment centers in 10 land offices, namely Thika, Samburu, Lamu, Nyamira, Kilifi, Kwale, Kajiado South, Bomet, Siakago and Kuria.
Mibango ingi ire ministry ya migunda itanyitwo gutamburukia guothe bururi-ini ni waki wa nyumba cia raithi, waki wa thoko na kuheana wikaro kuri a Kenya 60,000 aria matari handu ha guikara gatagati ka mibango ingi.
So the ministry commits to construct 66,155 affordable housing units to various levels of completion, as well as 52,758 social housing units to various levels of completion.
Kameme TV gikuhe uhoro gitau wa WAGI.